Right, so this is an unboxing of the Cancer Care Parcel. This is a company that caters for obviously people with cancer and treatments and stuff like that. So first things first, super quick delivery. I know that they offer next day delivery if it's ordered before 2 PM, so this came yesterday. A little bit of backstory about the company. So this company started because the actual founder, Dr. Cohen, was diagnosed with breast cancer, I think back in 2013. And she found with all the appointments and, liaising with work and everything like that, it's just very stressful. There's so much going on, there's no time to relax or anything like this. So this is where this came along. What actually happened was, it just goes to show, this is to bring back a little bit of normality into their lives, a little bit of comfort, a little bit of, just time to relax. So first things first, let's get this open. So it's quite a big box, to be honest. Essentially, it's just to bring back a bit of calm into the lives of people who are suffering with cancer as well as the treatment. So I'll let you look first. So that's what comes in the box. That's how it's packaged. Oh, I've dropped this. So this is the male cancer care package. So yeah, that's tells you everything that's in it. Firstly, so first things first, we've got one super soft neck cushion, just like that. Oh, it's actually lovely. Me personally, I do have someone in my family who's actually been diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. So this will be for them. Just a little bit of pamper time, a little bit of, just time to relax, time to unwind, and unfortunately it's one of those things. We've got another super comfortable neck pillow. I love the feel of these. We've got two different colours as well. So that's first things that's in there. Pair of earphones, firstly, which is pretty good. That you just, put the earphones in, put on an audio book or, some music, whatever everyone's into. What else we got in here? A nice little water bottle, silicone grip water bottle. Stay hydrated, through treatments and stuff like that. With just like that. That's lovely. It's in black. We've got a nice little eye mask. Honestly, this box is actually packed full. Honestly, it's packed full. We've got some ginger, blend with ginger and black pepper tea bags, I believe. Let's take a look at those. Oh, it's so nice. And I'm super happy at the fact of how quickly it came. Literally, next day. We've got some coconut paper soap, softening and cleansing. So we've got that. Honestly, it's packed. There's loads of nice little goodies in here, and I'm sure it really will, cheer people. We've got some Nivea Men cream, face, body, and hands, just to make just feel good. Yeah, unfortunately. Oh, lovely. We've got some lip balm, some sensitive lip balm as well. Honestly, it's a goodie box that just keeps on giving. A gel eye mask. Oh, that's really nice. So it's actually a gel. Keep it cool on your eyes. Also, the gel pad's inside. And it's furry on the front, nice and comfortable. This is a foot roller. It's all about pampering and comfort and everything like that. It's great. Honestly, this is super worth the money. You get so much. So you've got the leaflet as well, so I'll give some information there. The Cancer Care Parcel. You can follow them. Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff. Let's have a look. And then finally in here we've got a Good Ideas and Other Dreams notebook. And it's actually a leather journal. You just take a look at this. Honestly, it's so cute. A really nice leather journal. That's actually so sweet. I would 110% recommend, honestly, 10 out of 10. I would recommend the Cancer Care Parcel. So get yourself over to cancercareparcel.com and check it out. And this is everything. This was the men's care parcel, the Cancer Care Parcel. It's a great thing what they're doing. Honestly, such a humble, nice company, and I would definitely recommend 10 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching.